In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add transitions as well as animations inside of your Google Slides. Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Blasts, where we give you the best tips to improve your classroom learning. This week's tip is to add transitions as well as animations inside of your Google Slides. Since this improves the quality of your presentations, to do this all you want to do is right click on the slide, image or text you'd like to add to animate or add a transition to, and then go down to transition. But if you're doing this for an image or some text, it will say animation. Following this, it will open this box on the side of your presentation. To change the transition or animation, where it says none, all you need to do is select one of the animations or transitions available, for example, fade. Following this, you'll be able to adjust how fast or how slow it is for it to transition or for it to arrive into frame, and you can also click play at the bottom to view it. So that's how to add animations and transitions inside of Google Slides. If you're interested in a more in-depth and step-by-step explanation on how to do this, click or tap the video shown on screen now, or for another video by Google Tutorials, click or tap the video shown on screen now, and I'll see you soon.